Goa reported 1,410 COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours out of 3,906 tests, taking the total tally to 72,224. Goa reported 21 deaths in the last 24 hours, taking the death toll to 964. Active cases in Goa stand at 10,228. India reported over 3.14 lakh new COVID-19 cases, the highest ever daily count recorded anywhere, and 2,104 succumbed to the disease. Here are the details.
21 COVID-19 related deaths were reported in last 24 hours. 11 deaths took place at JMC, 8 deaths at South Goa District Hospital and 2 patients brought dead at Azulo. Congress alleged that there is no clarity in direction in order issued on Wednesday to tackle rising COVID-19 cases. Congress also questioned why mild restriction issued to casinos.
Today, the government has totally failed in tackling this COVID epidemic, a pandemic of international proportions, and put every Goan to risk. I hear some 21 deaths today, 26 deaths yesterday or day before yesterday, and every day our fellow Goans dying very, very sad to this pandemic. What are we doing? The government's totally skewed priorities and wrong decisions, and I say wrong decisions, has given rise to this frightful situation that Goans are facing today. Why we issue this type of orders for Section 144? We still say that elections are going to go on. Counting is going to go on. There is no clarity how the 10 to 6 curfew is going to work under Section 144, on which my friend Joel will elaborate further. The situation regarding medication and medical supplies is even more dangerous. Our leader of opposition and CIP leader Mr. Digambar Kamath had already asked the government to provide a day-to-day report to Goans of what are the facilities in terms of the life-saving medication that is available with the government. Government is not ready to do it because they know the situation is not good.
After such a delayed period of time and the CM making a trip to Delhi and back, he comes and announces a very selective curfew. Are Sawant, your biggest hotspots is your North Goa beach belt. GMC is saying it's come on the front page of Times of India today. Besides your nightclubs, restaurants, the casinos, we are seeing reports and pictures every day. The casino is house full. What is this 50% that you have announced? On what basis are you going to monitor them? And what is their capacity? Why is it that you haven't locked them up? And who are you scared of? Are you scared of the casino industry? Are you scared of the BJP national leadership? You people are still not serious. You all are busy patronizing this casino.
In the last 24 hours, 1,410 new cases have tested positive. Our recovery rate as of now stands at 84.5%. Active cases have crossed the figure of 10,000. They are 10,228. We have 461 recoveries in the last 24 hours and 21 deaths. 90% of our cases are under home isolation as of now. 956 patients are admitted across the state of Goa, including private hospitals. Majority of them are at Goa Medical College and South Goa District Hospital.
सगळ्यांक विनंती आसा की हो जो सेकंड वेव आयला हो फर्स्ट वेवाकय खूप प्रमाणे डिफरंट आसा, म्हणजे वेगळोच आसा. हातून इन्फेक्टिविटी चड आसा आनी हातून आमी पळयला की ताची सिवियरिटी चड आसा. म्हणून म्हाका लोकांक एक सांगूंक जाय की तुमी कॅज्युअल घेवं नाका हो वेव. You should not take very casual attitude towards your social behavior. You must have proper COVID appropriate behavior. ह्या वेवान जर तुमकां चुकून सुद्धा जोर आयलो जाल्यार तुम्ही फर्स्ट थिंग इज यू फॉलो द प्रोटोकॉल विच इज गिवन इन होम आयसोलेशन किट. तुम्ही एंटीबायोटीक घ्या. तुम्ही जर डायबिटीक आसा आनी तुमकां जर जोर आयलो, तुमचो टेस्ट पॉझिटिव्ह आसा, ते ओरल हायपोग्लायसेमिक घेनाका. तुम्ही इन्सुलिन स्टार्ट करा. कित्याक सांग, ओरल हायपोग्लायसेमिकान कंट्रोल ऑफ डायबिटीज बरी आसना आनी हातूनच आमी खुबशे लोकांक पळयला की तांची निमोनिया वाडटा. आमकां जितले आज पर्यंत डेथ मेळ्ळा ते सगळे लेट प्रेझेंटेशन. म्हणजे कितें, ह्या लोकांनी 4-5 दीस सुद्धा डिले केल्यार तांचो सीटी सिवियरिटी स्कोर आसता तो खूब वाडटा. आनी हाका लागून खंयचे आयसीयू म्हणा जाल्यार तुम्ही टन्स ऑफ ऑक्सिजन सुद्धा पंप केले, तो लंग कॅनॉट टेक दिस कायंड ऑफ अ ट्रीटमेंट. तो लंग इज ऑलरेडी डॅमेज. दुसरी गजाल आसा की इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ वॅक्सिनेशन कितें, की जे आमी खुबशे लोक म्हणटा आमी 2 डोस घेतले तरी आमकां कोविड जाले. हरकत ना. हो वॅक्सीन 100% सेक्युरिटी दिना. आसा प्रोटेक्शन अबाउट 65 to 70% or 80%. पण एक आम्ही पळयला ह्या वेवान, ज्या लोकांनी वॅक्सीन घेतला त्यांका सिवियरिटी ऑफ सिम्पटम्स कमी आसा, तांची निमोनिया कमी आसा. सो तुमका थ्रेट टू लायफ कमी आसा. सो ह्या अर्थान तुम्ही तो वॅक्सीन घेवंक जाय एज अ इम्युनिटी बुस्टर. प्लस इट गिव्स यू अ गुड काइंड ऑफ रेजिस्टन्स टू द व्हायरस. आणि हांव परत सांगता की तुम्ही मातशी केअर घ्या. हो व्हायरस इतलो सादो ना. हो व्हायरसाचे आम्ही सिक्वेन्सिंग चालू करतले, पण त्याच्या पयलीं आतापर्यंत जे आम्ही केसीस पळयल्या आणि डेथ्स पळयल्या हातूंतल्यान इतलेच दिसता की ही वेव मातशी पॉवरफुल आसा. आणि तुम्ही सोशल बिहेवियर मास्क तरी घाला. देर इज नथिंग बेटर दॅन प्रॉपर बिहेवियर. कितले लॉकडाऊन सुद्धा केला आम्ही, आणि जर तुम्ही बिहेवियर इज नॉट प्रॉपर then that lockdown also cannot help you. Message to the people is, suppose by chance that antigen testing everybody can do, and I will tell you, if person is symptomatic and he gets antigen test even negative, he should treat himself as a COVID case. The time has come to consider them as COVID. I how kide manta, you don't take full-fledged treatment like remdesivir. You take what is been there for preventive measures. Like earlier we were giving HCQs, hydroxychloroquine. Now we are giving favipiravir, and we are also giving we are also giving that doxycycline. So this is there in home isolation kit. This is also available in the pharmacy. No, this protocol is different from home isolation kit. This protocol is also available for everybody on DHS call center, our call center. Okay. Now I see doxycycline, even if you take for 5 days, nothing goes wrong. But what it will give you benefit is it will prevent your severity. What we are trying to say is the time has come, because see, now the infectivity is almost 34%. That means every 3rd case is coming positive. So considering these statistics, and we being very intelligent, we should understand that, see, everybody is coming positive, every 3rd case is coming positive, and if you have slightest symptoms of fever and cough, why you are waiting for 4-5 days? My humble request is you start this doxy, you start this ivermectin, and then you will get your protection from cytokine storm, you will get protection from severity. This is only solution left for us now. And to be very, very frank with you and honest, we are going to increase our testing. We are already booked machines for daily testing of almost 4,000 to 5,000. This backlog will also come down soon. Now that we have one vehicle of mobile, the government has taken a decision yesterday Honorable Chief Minister and Health Minister and our CS has said that we should increase this mobile van. Our respected Health Secretary has taken steps to get more mobile vans. So before these machines are installed, we are getting also mobile vans to do more testing.
Samip Narvekar for GOT 365 from Panaji.